We're here at South Fifth Avenue, here in Beachwood Place. Beachwood, Ohio. It's in Otis, modded by KONE. It's gonna do well. Here are you well. Hello. Cab view. They redid the whole cab when they modernized this thing. Here are LL. Going to UL because the gate is not working on the first floor, so I gotta get out on the second floor. Capacity is 2,500 pounds. Certificate. Here are UL. Actually, let's just end it at LL. This thing's glitched. Oh, the indicator just glitched. Oh well, seems to be okay now. I will watch it close. And that's it.